Hello everybody, tonight I'm happy for my dish and we make a cioppino. Cioppino in Italy we call it Zuppa di Pesce. And this dish, it's good for Christmas. Now, for the cioppino or Zuppa di Pesce, I got over here the legs, crab legs. I got calamari. The calamari are cut already. I got clams, scallops, shrimp. The shrimp are clean and everything. And we got the monkey fish. The monkey fish are cut. For the sauce, what you need, I got tomato, plum tomato, I chop already. I got garlic and onion, I chop. I got the fennel, I chop. In Italy, this we call finocchio. I got flake hot pepper, bay leaves, thyme, salt, and black pepper. And I don't want to forget my wine. And I got fish stock. Okay, now let's start. Do the garlic and the onion. And I put the oil. Okay, now the oil is hot. It's time to go. I got a nice spoon over here. Now this I fry a little bit. After I got to put my fennel. Make sure to not burn the garlic and the onion. The oil, you got to take the good flavor with the garlic and onion. Now we put the fennel. We give a nice salt like this together. Like this, you cook it together with the garlic and onion. Maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, now we start with the calamari first. Because the calamari, it's more tough, hard, the rest of the fish. And we put calamari. Okay, and the calamari is in. Now we leave cook the calamari for 5 or 6 minutes together with the garlic, onion, and the fennel. Look at this, what do you call this? The tentacle. Tentacle? Yeah, look at this, how beautiful big. Okay, now we got 1 cup white wine. And this, now we leave it stay together about 3 to 4 minutes this too. Okay, now it's time the plum tomato. This, it's easy to make. It's not hard. One time you prepare the fish what you want, and this you go by step like this. After you gotta know what kind of the fish it take long to cook, and the last one, it's that one you cook first. Okay, now the tomato gotta cook for about 10, 12 minutes. And I want to put the fish stock. I was using like 2 cups. As I needed the rest, I got another 2 cups. The gas I put on the middle, okay, you don't gotta boil too much. I got the hot flake pepper. I got 2 bay leaves. And I got some thyme over here. It's I pick it up in my garden. And this now, you gotta cook all. And you gotta stay, like I said, like 10 to 12 minutes, you gotta cook. After we start to put all the fish one by one, what I want. Okay, now I like a little salt. I got sea salt. And I got black pepper. We give a nice turn on this. I cook already this for 10 minutes, the calamari. Now the fish stock is reduced. And I got a couple of more cups fish stock. And I want to put more. And after I start to boil this, I gotta start to put my clams and the rest of the fish. Now I put the clams first, okay, it take a little longer to cook. And I gotta put the same time the monkey fish. Now when this start to boil, I put the scallops and the shrimp. Now I start to boil, and I want to lower the heat, and I want to put the top on. When the clams start to open up, we put the rest of the fish. Okay, now let me check, but the clams start to open up. Yes, and I want to put the scallops. Okay, now the scallops, I'll leave it cook the scallops maybe 2 minutes before I put the shrimp. Now each fish you got a different cook time. Get the scallops, you gotta stay a little long than the shrimp. Now I cover it again. And I'll leave it cook the scallops for 3 minutes. Okay, let me check this. Look at this. The clam eats the calamari. The clams is hungry, but I'm more hungry than the clams. Okay, now it's time to put the shrimp. Yeah, I got the crab legs. Yeah, I want to put inside. But this, it's cooked already. I'm not fine fresh. And we put it right inside my, oh, che cioppino. This, it's a cioppino, zuppa di pesce. Now, we cover, and we leave it boil now this for 7-8 minutes. Okay, my cioppino is ready. It's nice heavy, but after I eat, I don't think it's heavy like this no more. And now, I want to take some, and I want to taste. All right, shrimp. And now, I want to put a little, my juice over here. Okay, good. Little green, little parsley on the top. Okay, now I want to taste. I want to dip my bread and my juice over here. Oh, look at this. My scallops. Tonight, I want to enjoy myself. I want to get a nice salute, cincin de everybody. Salute. I want to say to everybody, look at this beautiful shrimp. Crunchy. Thank you to everybody, and we see next recipe. And again, salute e cincin. A salute.